Yes, you can program a new transponder key for your 2001-2003 Oldsmobile Aurora, even if you've lost all your keys. This video covers the DIY method, saving you money compared to a dealership or locksmith. We'll focus on using an OBD2 scanner to reprogram the ECM. Note, proof of ownership is crucial to avoid legal issues. The cost of the correct equipment can range from $150 to $500. Your Aurora uses GM's VATS Passkey 3 system. This immobilizer prevents unauthorized starting by requiring a special key. The vehicle anti-theft system connects the ignition, ECM, decoder module, and security components to create a secure circuit. The key has a transponder chip embedded with a unique code. It also includes a 10-position resistor pellet. This code communicates with the car's computer, called the Engine Control Module, or ECM. When the key is inserted, the transponder sends its unique code to the ECM. If the code matches what the ECM expects, the car starts normally. Otherwise, it's a no-start condition. The system also uses a 10-position resistor pellet in the key for additional security layers. To program new keys, you'll need a blank key cut to the correct profile, such as GM HU66 or equivalent. The most important tool for programming Aurora keys is an OBD2 scanner with GM-specific software. Popular options include the Autel MaxiSys IM608, Foxwell NT510, or Tech2 clones. For basic functions, cheaper options like the ML519 may work. You'll also need blank transponder keys, available online and at auto parts stores. Prices range from $10 to $20 each, with the GM HU66 profile recommended. First, confirm your vehicle is ready by checking that the battery voltage is above 12 volts. This is crucial for the programming process to work correctly. Next, locate the OBD2 port under the dashboard and plug in your OBD2 scanner. This port is usually found near the driver's side. Now turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key to on to power up the system. Follow the prompts on your OBD2 scanner to enter Learn Mode on the Engine Control Module, or ECM. This prepares the system to accept new key programming. Insert each of your new transponder keys one at a time and program them sequentially according to the scanner's instructions. The ECM will learn each key's unique code. Finally, exit Learn Mode on the scanner and test each programmed key by trying to start the car. This entire process should take between 10 to 30 minutes. One common mistake is using incompatible or counterfeit scanners, which can lead to programming failures. Another is ignoring ECM error codes. Always ensure your scanner firmware is up to date. If you encounter a relearn failure, check your OBD2 cable for faults. Battery drain during the process can also cause issues, so ensure a stable power supply. Risks and precautions are crucial when programming transponder keys. Improper programming can potentially lock the engine control module, requiring professional intervention to fix. Before starting, back up your vehicle's ECU data if possible to protect against any issues. Never attempt resistor bypass methods or unverified online tutorials, as these can disable the immobilizer entirely. Always double-check the compatibility of your scanner and keys before proceeding. DIY transponder key programming for the 2001 to 2003 Oldsmobile Aurora offers significant cost savings, potentially costing under $70 in tools and parts compared to $150 or more at a dealership. However, this approach demands technical expertise and the proper equipment. About 15% of DIY attempts require a second try due to software glitches or user errors. If you're not comfortable with the process or encounter difficulties, it's best to consult a professional locksmith or mechanic to ensure the job is done correctly and safely. Future trends and considerations. While DIY programming is currently viable for these older Auroras, support may decline as GM phases out support for pre-2005 systems. Trends are shifting towards all-digital keys in newer vehicles, potentially making physical transponder programming obsolete. Remember to recycle your old keys properly, as some scanners now include e-waste disposal guides.